So good morning, chemistry second year, English medium. So unit is organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So topic is chemical reactions of ethers. Already we have started the chemical reactions of ethers. So let's see the chemical reactions of aromatic ethers. Aromatic ethers, how the aromatic ethers involved in chemical reactions. Then, so when you observe the general structure of aromatic ether is, so one end is aromatic ring, another end suppose if it is, here is a alkyl alkyl or aryl, then so what happens is, here is oxygen is having two pairs of unshared electrons. Okay, then so due to this reason, here is what happens, the unshared electron pairs are involved in the resonance with the aromatic ring. Okay, the unshared electron pairs of oxygen involved in the resonance with the aromatic ring. As a result of that, here is alkoxy group release the electrons into the aromatic ring. So due to this reason, there is a ortho position. Okay, ortho position gets the more electron density. Then next one is para position also getting is a lot of electron density. Then next one is again here is again here is a ortho position. Okay, 1,2 position is ortho. Then next one is a 1,4 position. Here is a para. Then next one is 1,5 is it is also called as here is a ortho position. Okay, 1,2 ortho. Then here is a from this end here is a it is also here is a 1,2 position. Okay, is a is a ortho and para positions. Ortho and para positions of aromatic ring gets more electron density. So due to this reason, here is aromatic ethers involved in electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, it is similar with phenol. Okay, so here is a phenol is also involved in electrophilic substitution reactions. Here is aromatic ethers also involved in electrophilic substitution reactions because of more electron density in aromatic ring at ortho and para positions because of the alkoxy group losing electrons into the aromatic ring. Then so this carbon is sp2 carbon sp2 carbon, yes, that's why in general here is a electron cloud is attracted into the aromatic ring. Then so let's see the examples for the electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic ethers. Then aromatic ether, the best example for aromatic ether is anisole. Yes, here is anisole. So halogenation. So bromine in acetic acid. Then is a para-bromo. Here is a para-bromo anisole. Para-bromo is formed as major quantity, that is a 90% of para-bromo anisole is formed. Then is a minor quantity low, then orthobromo anisole. So this is based on the steric hindrance. Okay, so because of steric hindrance, then yes, it is formed as a less amount. Then yes, the distance between two groups are very long. That's why here is a para-bromo anisole is formed as excess amount or some maximum amount, that is a 90%. Then yes, next one is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Anisole when it is treated with some methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and CS2 carbon disulfide. Okay, carbon disulfide, it is a less polar solvent. Then the anhydrous AlCl3 act as a Lewis acid. Okay, Lewis acid, then it can initiate the, it can accelerate the formation of formation of methyl carbocation from the methyl chloride. Then some methyl carbocation is formed. This methyl carbocation is considered as electrophile. So this electrophile attacks on the aromatic ring at ortho as well as para positions. Then so that is what is a 2-methoxytoluene. Okay, so suppose if it is absent here, but it is called as a toluene. Then so it is considered as a main group here. Then it is a substituent. That's why 2-methoxy. This is the first one. This 2. Okay, 2-methoxytoluene is formed as minor quantity because of steric hindrance. Then so 4-methoxytoluene is formed as major quantity. Then it is a less steric hindered compound is formed as major quantity. Then next one is here is anisole is treated with acylation here. Okay, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, then Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Then in both the reactions, then Lewis acids are what we are taking. Here is a AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. Here also anhydrous AlCl3. Anisole, when it is treated with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, then again yes it acts as a Lewis acid. Yes, it accelerates the formation of then acyl carbocation from the acetyl chloride. Okay, this acyl carbocation attacks on the ortho and para positions where the electron density is maximum in aromatic ring. So this can be observed in aromatic here is aromatic structures of here is resonating structures of alkoxy, here is a arene. Okay, then yes, here is a ortho and para positions getting more electron density. Then acyl carbocation attacks on ortho and para positions. Then yes, this is what so 2-ethoxy. Here is this is a 2-methoxyacetophenone. It is a minor quantity. Then 4-methoxyacetophenone. So when compared with this one, so this is treated as a functional group. This is a substituent. Okay. Yes, with respect to aceto group, so this is called as fourth position. It's a 4-methoxyacetophenone is major quantity. So because of less steric hindrance. Then next one is nitration. So in nitration, what which is act as an electrophile is nitronium ion. Nitronium ion act as electrophile. Then anisole. Here is a anisole. When it is treated with a nitration mixture, concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4. Concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, then what happens in presence of concentrated H2SO4, nitronium ion is generated. Okay, this nitronium ion act as electrophile. So this electrophile attacks on anisole or aromatic ring, then ortho and para positions. Okay, then yes, here is this is the 2-nitroanisole. 2-nitroanisole is a minor quantity. Then 4-nitroanisole is formed as major quantity. Again here is a steric hindrance is influenced. Okay, so this is about electrophilic substitution reactions of alkoxyarene or aromatic ethers. Okay, then yes, when compared with benzene nucleus, there is alkoxyarenes or aromatic ethers are very faster in is electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, electrophilic substitutions reactions because is alkoxy group in general act as electron releasing group or ring activating group. Ring activating group or electron, here is a electron releasing group or ring activating group or ortho-para directing group, alkoxy group or methoxy. So this is a methoxy group act as ring activating group or orthopara directing group or electron releasing group. Due to this reason, there is a anisole electrophilic substitution, anisole involved in electrophilic substitution reactions very faster than benzene nucleus. Okay, so this is enough for chemical reactions of ethers.